Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I just wanted to make a quick message to the governor of Texas, Greg Abbott, and ask him to be aware of the situation right now. The Texas coast and possibly major cities like San Antonio and Houston and even Austin will see what could possibly be up to 50 inches of rain or segments of that over the next week starting on Friday. And so a lot of areas get hit hard by flooding, but then they drain fast, but they still flood fast. And if it's going to continue to rain for 5 or 6 days, then the situation in Houston and other cities, especially along the coast, could possibly be catastrophic in a worst case scenario. Now, I lived in Houston during Rita, which happened right after Katrina, and we thought that would hit, and it did not. But I got to drive from Houston to DFW using the back roads, and I saw like a 15-hour drive that was a very apocalyptic scenario. And so what I'm calling for the governor to do now is take a look at the data, meet with your smartest, best people, and if the case need be, I would close schools on Friday and ask everybody to stay aware of this, and maybe even close schools on Monday or Tuesday. That way, if you do have people who have family or friends up north that they want to visit, to wait it out, they can. At least give people an option to get out if the data continues to get worse, and it does look like there are going to be some major catastrophic flooding along the coast or in any of the major cities in Texas. So, this goes out to all mayors, to all politicians in Texas, and anybody, who's out there listening, that if they're talking about 50 inches of rain, in multiple days of possible 7 to 10 inches of rain in single days, then this is going to be a stationary storm that's going to kind of rotate around Texas in a really weird fashion, a wild fashion, for days. They're calling it an anticyclone right now. Like this loop they're putting on the models, the loop-de-loop, big-time flooding signal. The ocean temperatures are extremely warm, which is fuel for tropical storms. And like here, this was just a while ago, the latest Euro guidance suggests wave heights exceeding 20 feet close to the Texas shore. So, I'm just saying, as a politician and someone who will be remembered as the governor, as the leader of Texas, A, I highly recommend pointing everyone you can's attention to this situation, and B, giving people a chance and a choice. That with the numbers we're looking at here, we may be saving lives and even property. I know I will probably be going north to DFW just because I can't handle losing my car if it's going to sit there in 3 or 4 feet of rain. This right here had a 72-hour rainfall of 42 inches just north of Corpus Christi. That is like monster movie, Man vs. Nature scary. So, it's your call. You got your team, and you'll do what you do, but I'm just saying, Governor Abbott right here, take no chances. With 50 inches of rain possible, close schools, give people a chance. And if you were to close schools on Wednesday, then you've basically given everybody at least the day and the weekend to be weather aware, because this is just one of many events we were probably going to see over the next few months. Wind shear is going down in the pattern in the Pacific, which has put over 20 million people out of their homes due to flooding. That will be shifting now to the Atlantic as wind shear cuts down. And so we'll see more and more patterns like this. And so this could be the first of what is many. Because we have more and more waves rolling off the African coast. But, the storm can only drop like 22 inches of rain. So, you know, that's, I guess, it's your pay grade, man. But I would take no chances with people's lives or property. And like I said, that's the main reason I would be going north, is I don't want to lose my car in a flood. It'd be hard for me to make up from that. So, thank you. God bless y'all. God bless Texas. And stay cool.